Those eyes are no curse, they are a blessing. Some people like you are born with a blessed upper energy core or with a special streak in their soul. And those children always ended up doing great things. Those words so sweet, they sounded like lies. You have the potential to become more special than anyone else in the world, but more than that because I felt warm for the first time in my life. So, will you follow me, child? At the hands of salvation. Yes. Do you have a name? No. Then then to commemorate the moment I met you, how about I name you Won He? I gained reason to keep on living. I did whatever I could to help my master. But because of this damned body of mine, my master fell into a state of energy deviation. Accepting death here would be too pitiful. My body is about to turn into dust. No matter what I do, this body can't survive. Then there is only one way. The forbidden art used by ancient practitioners of Zoroastrianism to overcome death by transferring their soul to another person's body. Even if the transfer is successful, they are destined to live a short fate due to the body's rejection of the new soul. I circulated the remaining mystic energy in the fragments of the demon dragon sword to activate this art. Now I leave its success to the heavens. Please, Master, be safe until I return. Do you understand your role in visiting the clan head? Oh, how annoying. As the son of concubine, you should keep on laying low. My whole body is numb and tingling. Wake up to the sound of screaming is the worst. Wait, did the primordial divine will reincarnation succeed? Tang Hunwei, are you listening to me? How long do you intend to lay on the floor? Get up! Tang Hunwei, how ironic for this body to share the same name as mine. Moreover, I have been emphasizing this since earlier. You dare fail to respond to an adult? Your breath stinks, so could you point your face somewhere else? You old hag. You dare to refuse my rightful teachings and call me an old drag? Do not even dream of exiting until you understand your mistake. Finally, some peace and quiet. According to the remaining ego of this body, that woman is the child's stepmother. The primordial divine will reincarnation only works on bodies that have just died or are about to die. Even if this child was not here for real, I can't believe she beat him to the brink of death. I thought my old life was beautiful, but this Tang Hunwei might match it. Anyways, this body is badly trained and in bad health. That's why he probably died. But this body has something beyond will lacked. A lower energy core. If I can train myself lower core to learn martial arts, on top of the mystic arts I learned using my upper core in my previous life, and the power of my arts to control the dead. No, not if it's a necessity. Only then will I be able to protect my master and show the bastards who backstabbed me and messed with the heavenly demon divine cult. Just to they just who they messed with.